Uncle Duke here, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about global warming, beautiful surroundings of Manhattan, New York. Global warming sounds comfy. Global warming, it sounds like such a nice, cozy word. Until it's not. There was a Paris conference, and you know what that entailed? That 195 countries got together and they decided that we cannot have the surface temperatures rise above 1.5 degrees Celsius. Why Paris? I guess because of their cafes. Climate change is above 1.5 degrees Celsius. There's a few things that happen. Ocean levels rising and freshwater depletion. What I want to talk to you about today is not where that 1.5 degrees Celsius comes from, but about the Fahrenheit. What is it in Fahrenheit for us? Because as Americans, that's what we're using, a Fahrenheit scale. So I want to know what that 1.5 degrees Celsius is in Fahrenheit. So when my students put in 1.5 degrees Celsius into the Fahrenheit formula, they get 34 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is very hot, hot, hot. But they are wrong. So some people have had trouble understanding, why is 1.5 degrees Celsius equal to 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit? So I'm going to show you, because they say, okay, I know this formula. Fahrenheit is 9/5 C plus 32. I put in for the C 1.5 plus 32, and I get 34.7 degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't have to worry about the planet average temperature going up 34 degrees Fahrenheit. But this is wrong. This is what is 1.5 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. But what this 1.5 degrees Celsius is saying is the change in temperature, which is the slope. So when we look at this formula, 9/5 C plus 32, all we're looking at is the slope, the 9/5, and then plug in what the C is, and you'll get the change in temperature in Fahrenheit. So you do 9/5 of 1.5, which is 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how you get it. If you want to visualize, first of all, what the graph means really quickly, we can just visualize this. This is Celsius. This is Fahrenheit. When Celsius is 0, you start at 32. Of course, this is not drawn to scale, so you put a point there. And then this 9/5 means you go up 9 places. So you're going up 9 places, which would bring you up to 41. And you're going over 5 places. So you would put a point here, and then you would connect it. Whoa, look at that. Talk about not being drawn to scale. I missed the point. You don't get the point. So what does this mean? It means you're going up 9 and over 5. Up 9 and over 5. And it continues, right? That is what your change is. So then they're looking at the change as 1.5 degrees Celsius. And then that change will be 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Another way to look at that change in temperature at 1.5 degrees Celsius is the average daily temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. So what is that in Fahrenheit? You would go, in Fahrenheit, it's 9/5 times 15 plus 32, which equals 3, 5, 15, 27, 59. So it's 59 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the average daily temperature on the planet Earth. Now let's make it increase. Let's increase this 15 degrees Celsius by 1.5. So we're going to increase it by 1.5 degrees Celsius, and that makes it 16.5 degrees Celsius. So let's see what that is now on the Fahrenheit scale. So from Fahrenheit now, it would be 9/5 of 16.5 plus 32, which equals 61.7 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you look at 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 61.7 degrees Fahrenheit, that is a 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit change. That's why when they talk about 1.5 degrees increase in Celsius is equivalent to 2.7 degrees in Fahrenheit.
So please do research to find out what you can do to keep global surface temperatures from rising above 1.5 degrees Celsius. Do it before it's too late. Well, this has been Radical Dude, and I hope I was able to teach you something. Oh, my little evergreen. Cut. Global warming